Hey guys, this is Jamie with ICE Magazine. I'm bringing you another live update from AHRA today in the exhibit hall, and I have made my way over to Oxford Instruments Healthcare, and I am chatting with Steve Pennington. Steve, if you can, introduce yourself to our audience. Tell them your role with the company and a little about what you do.
My name is Steve Pennington. Obviously, I'm with Oxford Instruments Healthcare, and I'm a senior sales and leasing manager, and I run our mobile fleet of imaging.
Oh, you're a busy man.
Yeah, mobile MRI, mobile CT, mobile nuclear medicine, mobile PET CT.
That's awesome. Well, you said mobile a lot, so tell me about these mobile solutions that you can provide.
So we provide mobile interim solutions for MR, as I said, CT, PET CT, and nuclear systems. If you're doing a construction project where you need an MR and your MR is down, we can provide that. In addition, we do long-term solutions. If you have a larger construction project or you're looking to expand your install base and or expand your patient flow, we can provide you a mobile solution for that.
Okay, outside of construction, what can you do from a refurbished standpoint or equipment service?
So for Refurbished Systems, OI is one of the largest providers of refurbished MRI and CT equipment.
That's good.
We have production facilities in Vacaville, California, Deerfield Beach, Florida, and Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Do you travel to all of these locations?
I do occasionally, but we have reps throughout the country.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And I know you can also provide spare parts for MRIs and CTs. Tell us a little more information about that.
So we have a full complement of MRI and CT parts for Siemens and GE.
Awesome.
We provide cold head replacement, cryogenic fills, from soup to nuts. If you have a CT and you need a part that's a GE or Siemens, we provide it.
You've got it all.
Absolutely.
That's good. And I know in the industry, ISO certification is really big. So let's talk about the certification that Oxford Instrument has.
So Oxford Instruments is ISO 13485 certified.
Good.
We get recertified every year. And what we do is we identify all of our quality standards. They're reviewed every year. And if we see something that's not to par, we adjust it. But ISO 13485 is the key of our business. It's in all our processes, in our mobile process, in our refurbishment process, in our accounting process, in our sales process. Anything that we do has a quality standard.
It's at the heart of the company.
It is.
That's awesome. And if I'm an attendee at AHRA and I stop by your booth, it's booth 1508, what am I going to learn today? What are you going to share with me?
Well, I'm going to share with you our full complement of products.
Good.
Everything we talked about, mobile solutions, refurbished equipment, parts, and service. We forgot to mention service.
Service. Tell me about the service.
So service, we provide MRI and CT service throughout the country. We have engineers stationed all over.
Everywhere, nationwide.
We have not only full service contracts to do cryogens, X-ray tube coverage for CT. We'll do parts contracts and preventive maintenance contracts.
That's good.
Any service that you would need on an MRI and CT, we can provide it.
Guys, this is a company you want to check out. If you're not familiar with them, I want you to go to their website. I'm going to comment below to get you there, but it is oxinst.com/healthcare. Again, I'll put it down in the details. Steve, thank you so much for taking some time today to talk to me. It's booth 1508 at AHRA. We're going to bring you some more live updates. Stay tuned to the ICE Facebook page. Guys, we'll see you soon.